For years, people have utilized garlic, a strong and aromatic herb, in their cooking due to its possible health advantage. Although many people prefer the flavor of roasted or sautéed garlic in their food, eating raw garlic on an empty stomach is becoming more and more popular due to its many health advantages. In this video, we'll look at 10 unexpected advantages of consuming raw garlic on an empty stomach. 1. Supports heart health. Heart wellness. In addition to Allison, raw garlic has sulphur compounds like ajon and Theos sulfinates that lower plaque accumulation in the arteries. This is not only improves blood flow but also lowers the risk of atherosclerosis, a major cause of heart disease. Additionally, raw garlic increases nitric oxide production, which causes vasodilation and helps maintain healthy blood pressure levels. 2. Boost immune system. Strengthen the immune system. The boost respiratory system. Garlic contains sulfur-containing compounds such as disulfide and Allison ajon, which stimulates the production of cytokines and increase the activity of immune cells like macrophages and lymphocytes. These strengthen the immune system, can better fight off infection and lower the risk of becoming ill. 3. Lower blood pressure. Reduce blood pressure. Really high blood pressure raises the risk of heart disease and stroke. Garlic lowers pressure on the cardiovascular system and helps regulate hypertension because of its proximity to within blood vessels. Mostly through the action of Allison and hydrogen sulfide, these substances increase the smooth muscle cells in blood arteries through legs, which improves blood flow and lower blood pressure. Moreover, garlic lowers blood pressure by decreasing arterial wall inflammation, according to its anti-inflammatory qualities. 4. Helps with digestion. Aid in the digestive process. The benefit of raw garlic for digestion include encouraging the gallbladder to secrete bile, which aids in the breakdown of lipids, and its antibacterial qualities, which include Allison and ajon, can support gut health by scavenging pathogenic bacteria and protecting good ones. In addition, garlic's prebiotic qualities encourage the development of healthy gut flora that aid in optimal digestion and nutrient absorption. Garlic also promotes peristalsis, or the instant wave-like muscle movement, which leads to more easily broken down food. 5. Detoxification. Cleansing garlic has toxifying properties that are essential to health. Its sulfur compounds, in particular disulfide and Allison sulfide, increase the activity of liver detoxification. Enzymes like glutathione, transferase help the liver process and get rid of toxin, heavy metals like mercury and lead. The detoxifying properties of garlic can help with skin clarity, boost vitality, and lower the chance of developing chronic illness. 6. Support weight loss. Encourage losing weight. The function of aid in losing weight. Raw garlic can help with weight loss efforts because it increases thermogenesis, which is the process of burning calories to produce heat. It also has the potential to reduce fat storage, which helps maintain a healthy weight. Garlic's capacity to prevent adipocytes or fat cells from growing is thought to be the cause of this action. Compounds like Allison and ajon. 7. Fight respiratory infections. Compared to respiratory viral infection, garlic is an invaluable ally in the fight against respiratory infection because of its potent antibacterial qualities, among other substances. Allison disulfide and ajones have broad-spectrum antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. Garlic consumption on an empty stomach can help treat and shorten the duration of typical cold and flu symptoms. Garlic's anti-inflammatory properties also help to calm irritated airways, which makes it a natural treatment for conditions like asthma and bronchitis. It improves skin health. Enhances the health of the skin when used topically. Garlic antimicrobial, antiviral, and antifungal properties help protect skin health by assisting in the removal of acne and preventing new outbreaks. Additionally, consuming garlic internally promotes overall skin health by providing antioxidants that combat the effect of free radicals. These antioxidants, which include vitamin C and selenium, protect skin cells from oxidative damage, reducing signs of premature aging. The antimicrobial properties of Allison and ajon are particularly effective against acne, causing bacteria such as Propionibacterium acnes. 9. Helps prevent cancer. Aiding cancer prevention, garlic may be able to prevent cancer, particularly gastrointestinal melanoma. According to recent studies, its sulfur-containing chemicals such as disulfide and Allison and ajon have multiple anti-cancer properties. They can stop cancer cells from growing, cause cancer cells to undergo apoptosis, stop the development of new blood vessels that nourish tumor, and prevent angiogenesis because they neutralize dangerous free radical. Garlic antioxidants such as carotene and selenium also add to its anti-cancer effects. 10. Improves hair health. Garlic sulfur content, primarily in the form of sulfur-containing amino acid like cytine, supports the production of collagen, a protein essential for hair strength. Collagen also helps maintain the integrity of hair follicles and prevent hair breakages. Although its other benefits are better known, its ability to improve hair health is also noteworthy. Garlic is useful in treating scalp disorders like dandruff because sulfur compounds like Allison and ajon have antifungal qualities. There are several possible health benefits of consuming raw garlic on an empty stomach, including enhanced immunity and cardiovascular health. However, it's difficult to keep in mind that garlic should be used in moderation and that its capabilities may differ from person to person. If you are thinking about including raw garlic in your daily routine, speak with a healthcare provider to make sure it's a good fit for your health objectives. I hope you found the information interesting enough to click the like button, join the channel, turn on notifications, and send the video link to your loved ones.